Hey friend, welcome back to Doing with Tyranzia. So I've been telling you guys for the last few weeks, like, hey, start prompting. Just use ChatGPT, use Claude, use Manus, use whatever AI you want to use, but just use prompts. Like, stop doing stuff the hard way. So I had a client, she called me, she was like, hey, I'm losing money and I don't know where it is. She does not want to attach her bank account to a software that does it for her. She was like, I really want to just key it in myself so I can see it in real time. I'm like, cool, got you. I came right here to chat, y'all. Right here to chat. And I use the prompt. I say, hi, chat. I always speak to chat. I was like, I want to help a customer build custom cash flow sheet so she can track her profit and loss. Can you build it for me? I want a column for income, multiple expenses column, and it generates her current and profit loss. I told Chat what I wanted and what I wanted this generator to do. So let's download this and see what it come up with. Let's download it. Okay, it's downloaded. It downloaded like 5 times too. Cause your girl impatient. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right here to enable. And right here, you can see, let me make it smaller for you. So we can see if chat did what we asked them to do. My chat is a boy. And it gave instructions. It gave instructions of how to use this cash flow sheet, right? So right here, she can put, we're just gonna do today. We're gonna do April 13th, 2026. Description, we're gonna say membership. Okay. Income, they paid $99. Okay. Now, you see that? It's showing $99. Now here, we're going to do April 13th, 2026. And we're going to say I paid my rent. And my rent is $900. You see that? Right here in real time, it's showing me that I only had income of $99. I paid rent for $900. Guess what? Right now my business is in a $800 1 cent loss. See how easy that is? And if we just come over here and just put random numbers, you see how instead of calculating it up, so I bring $300 in. It's showing me, let's bring some more money in. Let's bring some more money in. Let's get out the red. Okay, we back in the black. We back in the black. That's what we want to be at. So pretty much it shows like profit is gonna be green, loss is gonna be red. Over here, if my business is good, it's gonna be black. But when it go red, I'm in the negative, right? So I built her this too. I built her this too. What I would really do is do a 12. I would do this. I would make this 12 months and I'll change it to January, February through December, right? And I would just package it up on my stand store, send it to her in a link. And guess what? I'm going to charge her for this. I'm going to charge her for this service. This could be a digital product that you sell any business, because what business owners don't want to track their profit and loss? Because at the end of the month, it's too late. If you $800 in the negative, it's too late at the end of the month. It's too late at the end of the year. Like, you need to know real time where my business stand. Like, am I making money? Am I losing money? So you could do the same. Let's go back. Let's go back to chat. I'm gonna say, I love this. Hold on. I love this. My community members are crafters that sell. I can't spell it right now, y'all. I don't know why I'm not gonna hear y'all. I can't spell nothing. I'm still not gonna spell it right. I'm just gonna let you spell it right. And digital products. can me build a, let me see how I want to say it. I want to say build a profit calculator that they can use to set their prices. I want them to be able to input their supply cost and how much they are charging to see if to help them set prices correctly. I don't think I'm saying this right, whatever. I want it to generate automatically and use my brand colors. Soft pink, black, and gold. Okay, let's see what it comes with. That ain't the best prompt, but I'm just showing. I just want to, hold on. I just want to show y'all how easy it is to just communicate with chat and let chat do the heavy lifting for you. Now, I could have wrote all that, out of my head, and I could have said, hey, chat, give me a better prompt. Give me a better prompt. Let's see. And it's telling me what it's doing. It's telling me it's thinking. It's telling me it's thinking out loud for me. It's telling me everything, what it's doing. It's reading what I asked it, and it's processing the information, right? So let's see what it come up with. And I could have just I could have typed this and said, hey, chat, give me a better prompt. And it would have gave me a better prompt. If you're not good at prompting, ask chat to teach you how to prompt. Like, just ask. Or you can join my school community and we can learn it together, right? Because this is the stuff I do, like when my clients or customers call me and they be like, hey, I need this, and it. Okay, I'm just going to go to chat. I'm going to build them what they asked for. And I'm going to add it to my stand store and I'm going to send them the link. Because this is a digital product. This right here, it's a digital product. Who don't want it? It's a digital product. So I'm not just making t-shirts. I'm not just making flyers. I'm not just making social media content. Whatever my customer tell me that they want, guess what? I'm going to come to chat or Claude or Manus, whichever tool I decide to use for the day, depending on what they want, and I'm going to sell it to them as a digital product. Don't limit yourself to t-shirts. Don't limit yourself to wall art. Don't limit yourself to journals, because there's only so much money you can make off that stuff. You have to be a solution-driven person. Like, sell the solution. If a person comes to you with a problem, stop turning them down like, oh, I don't do that. I don't do it. But guess what? AI does. Let's use it to our advantage, y'all. Okay, here it is. Let's see. We're going to play with it, y'all. We're going to play with it. Okay, cool. Okay, it even named it after my community. How cute. That's cute. Okay, so it's telling me the person's target profit should be 40%. Okay, so simple sample t-shirt, supply costs, $5.50, packaging, shipping, other costs. So I'm gonna say the t-shirt really gonna cost about $2. I'm gonna say $2.50. Packaging, I'm gonna say $1. $1. Shipping usually about $4.50. Other costs, the DTF print gonna cost you about $4. Okay, so right here, let me show y'all this when y'all selling these $20 shirts. Okay, your labor is saying your labor cost is $10. Your total cost to make this t-shirt is $22. current price. If you sell a shirt for $24.99, you lost. Did you lose or you profit? You profited. You profited $2.99. You see that? Now, here's where most of your money is coming from, your hourly rate. So I'm going to say, well, it's $10 because it's divided this in half. So, yeah. So really, you're going to make a little bit more money than that. But, let me see. Hold on. You're actually making, off of this, you're making more than that because right here, you're charging like $10 an hour. But it really don't take you, if it's taking you an hour to make a t-shirt, you need to get in my community for real. Okay? So really, you're going to make, but it's saying like if you paid somebody or if you paid yourself, which you should be doing if you're in business, right? So all together, you're really just making $2.99 because you are paying yourself a fee. But if you want to do, let's do a calculator. Let's just see. Let's do the real math. Nope. I'm going to say, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so if you were really doing this, the person would really make about $12, right? $12 a t-shirt, which is not bad. So let's go back to chat though. And I'm gonna say I like this, but the labor cost is confusing. Can you remove the labor costs and turn the goal part to a different, I don't like the gold, y'all, different shade of pink. Okay, let's see what it come up with. Okay, so it came up with it and it told me what it did. Okay, you see how you can just communicate back and forth with it? I'm just showing y'all how you can just, if it don't come out with what you want, just tell it, like, I don't like that. Okay, so let's see. The supply costs $10, packaging costs $2, shipping costs is $5, other costs is $3, selling price. Okay. But it's not, let me see. So supply costs, let me say $7.50. Oh. Let's do $7.50. Packaging is $1 because it really costs like $1. We're gonna leave it, shipping is $5. Other costs $4 for DTF print. Total cost of this shirt is $17.50. Chat suggests that you sell this at $30. And if you, and I could come in here and put suggested selling price. Okay, profit and loss. There's your $12 profit. So that person will get $12.50. Your profit margin is about what it needs to be, about 41. I don't like all them sixes though, yeah. I don't like all that. But so pretty much, this is your winning column because it'll tell you. I'm just turned to yellow if you can see it. It'll pretty much tell you. No, this is your winning column. Hold on. And y'all know I don't take out the parts that I mess up or I may not say something right. I don't take that part out because that's what y'all need to be able to see when you're doing stuff. So okay, so I think I like this. I think I like this because you put all your total costs, your packaging, your shipping costs, your other costs, whatever cost you got. It give you a total of $17, and then it's saying suggested selling price is $30. If you sell it for $30, you're gonna make $12, right? You don't have to use what chat said. If you wanna, let's see, can we change this? If we change this to 25, the only thing you're gonna do is drop your profit. You went from the $12 to $7. So, and they tell you right here, Your profit margin is 30. But say for instance you want to make, I like making 50% profit. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Well, no, yeah, I like to make 50% profit. So if I was really doing this, my total cost was 1750. I would double that. Why? Because I want to be able to, if I have to replace it, I'm not coming out of my pocket with anything, right? So it's gonna take me $17.50 to make this shirt if I ship it too. But you charging your customer the shipping cost, right? So you're gonna get that $5 back too. Don't forget that, okay? So $5 of these dollars is gonna come from shipping, but you're gonna get that back because you're gonna charge them for shipping. Unless they buy a lot, then you can cough up the shipping costs and you cover it. But I'm just trying to just show y'all that the whole purpose of this video is not to show you how to design. It's not to show you how to get in Canva and do stuff. It's to show you how to use AI in prompting. You can prompt anything you want. You can prompt anything you want. Whatever you want, you can prompt it. I be prompting crazy stuff, y'all. You can take a picture of the food in your refrigerator and say, hey, based on what I have in my refrigerator, what can I cook in less than 20 minutes? And chat will tell you what to cook. Give you the ingredients and everything, measurements and everything. So use the AI tools to your advantage. Use them to your advantage. If you want to know how to use AI tools, like for real, you can jump my school community. I usually show AI. Some people don't like AI as much as I do, but oh well. I like AI because it has simplified. Look at this. Look. I was just saying it simplified a lot of my things that I was doing manually. I don't do none of that manually no more. I just prompted. Look right here where it said got you. I simplified it and made it clear for your audience. Now, I'm going to see if I can drop this in the description. I'm going to try. I ain't going to promise you nothing because I think I can, but I don't know if I can. But I'm going to try. And if I can, use it. You can even sell it. Just change that better to where he took the better together off of it. But just use it. Have fun. Let me know in the comment was this helpful or not. Hey, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Help me out. Help your girl. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. So help me out. Bye, friend.